Hi, Bubba. Oh, no.
Hi. Are you done spazzing? Are you done spazzing, baby? Oh, never mind. Are you done spazzing, baby? Are you done spazzing, baby? Hi. Hi. No. No.
Orange Brand really do goober. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Fluffy boy. What's up? What's up? Oh, yeah, you're playing with napalm there, kid. I wouldn't do that. You can actually see, like, it's really hard to see from here, because I would have to, like, grab the tail, point it out. But, she originally had a little bit of her tail fall off, and, that tail is actually healed up to the point where it's even hard for us to notice, which is kind of wild, because we know about it.
What? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, goofball?
Just staring at me. Hmm? 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 What's up? Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Yes, you are. Such a pretty girl. Such a spazzy girl. Oh god, orange brain cell. Hi. Do. Orange brain cell? What's up, Stumpy? Hi, Stumpy. No longer Stumpy, because your tail is, pretty much as good as new. Hi, Bubba. Hey, floppy boy. Guess what? You should flop. Thank you.
Ah!
At least you didn't use claws this time, baby. Such a good boy.